If you're using Google Forms and still replying to submissions manually, you're doing extra work you don't need to. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Forms auto responses using an add-on that every business should be using. You'll be able to send out confirmation emails to anyone who fills out the form, a notification email to your team as well. This setup works great for businesses, teams, property managers, clinics, etc. Welcome to Form Mailer, and let's go right into the video. First, you want to navigate to Google Workspace Marketplace, type Form Mailer email notification and click on install. I would leave a link to this in the description. Next, you want to select the email that would be linked to your Form Mailer. Continue. Select. Continue. And you're done. Next, we're going to go to our Google Forms. For this video, I already have a form set up. You can create a new one or use a form you already set up. Your form mailer is automatically linked to the email you used during your installation process. So here you would want to navigate to add-ons, form mailer, manage email notification. You would also want to set out the name you want your respondents to see when they receive an email from you or your team, or you also want your team to see as well. For this video, we're just going to use form mailer, but you could use your company's name, your mail, your name, whatever is associated with your company. Next, you want to go to your email template, and first you want to click on respondents. This is what your client or whoever is filling up the form would receive immediately they submit a form. Click on that, and you would receive a template to set up your mail. You can also add fields, insert fields from your form. So this would be whatever is already created in your form that you would want your respondents to receive whenever they submit a form. You can adjust the color, the sizing, insert a picture, insert a link as well, and save changes. The second is your internal team notification. This can be your service team, your partners, whoever you want receiving the mail after submission to get to either sorting out the submission or just receiving a notification that a mail has been sent into the company as well. Same process, you can set this up by going through the insert field, pick whatever details you want them to also receive, colors, links, etc. Save changes as well. Next, you want to go to your recipient's detail. So this is the company's, your internal company's team detail. You can set up whoever you want receiving the mail as well. And this can be as many team members as you would like. All you have to do is insert their mail, click on enter, and save changes. And that is it. This setup helps you respond faster, stay organized, and reduce manual admin work. With Form Mailer, you get 10 free emails, but to upgrade your account, go to add-ons, click on Form Mailer, manage your account, you can either get 15,000 emails monthly for $3 per month, or $30 a year for 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount and 24 hours support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, install Form Mailer, and let us know which tutorial you would love to see next. Thank you.